Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So today we will make our very famous snacks recipe, egg toast. So the ingredients are chopped green chili, we have taken 2 pieces, chopped coriander leaves and grated onion 1 piece. Take a flat plate. We have taken 2 eggs for this toast. Add chopped coriander 1 tablespoon. Then add 1 grated onion and chopped green chili. Then add pinch of salt. Mix all these ingredients with your spoon or any beater so that will mix properly. So this is the mixture. For making the egg toast, we need a flat tawa. We have taken a flat tawa. Apply some butter on it. We will fry on butter. So after melting the butter, spread this across the pan. Then take the bread slice and dip into the egg mixture. Apply that egg mixture on both the sides of the bread and put that on the tawa for fry. Follow the same process. Put another bread on the tawa. We will place 4 breads at a time. After some time we will apply some more butter that will not burn the side. After 2 minutes we will flip the side of the toast and one side will be ready in that much time. Then we will fry the other side for 2 minutes and in 4 minutes our bread toast will be ready. So now we will take out all the breads from the tawa, otherwise it will burn. So it is our bread toast. It is completed. Now we will serve the plate. So it is just a decoration. We have cutted the pieces into triangle piece. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and then we are sprinkling a cheese cube, mozzarella cheese cube on it. Serve this egg toast with tomato ketchup and enjoy your evening snacks. If you like our videos, please follow us more, like, share and subscribe our channel so that we can share new recipes with you. Thank you for watching.